Blake, sorry I can't be here today, but I'm going to try and be back for tutorials. If I'm not, please go to Miss Felton in 413. But I am going to leave a video for you guys. You need to take everything that I'm putting in this video and put it in your notes, and I will be leaving a packet for y'all to do. Everything is to be turned in. I would like you to take a picture of your notes and upload it to Google Classroom under this video, because I will have a section for notes upload, and that will be a grade as well as a grade for the packet. All right? If you were not here last class period, you will be left a project to do. At that point, you will need to stop this video after taking the notes and go do the project. Okay? So you need to turn to the first blank page in your notebook. It's around page 30, 33, depends on how you write, but you need to title it, Finding the Vertex. Okay, we've talked about finding the vertex from vertex form, where we have A, parentheses, x minus h, all squared, plus k, where h and k equals our vertex. Okay? Now, I'm going to go over a quick example. 10 times the quantity of x decreased by 32, all squared, increased by 17. Okay? Now notice, we've got minus h in the formula, but I also have minus h here. And this does not talk about the opposite. Remember how the middle child is the problem child? It does the exact opposite of what it says it's going to do. So for our vertex, I literally just take the 32 and then the positive 17. There's our vertex for that one. But if I was to have the exact same problem, but adding 32 squared and subtracting 17, this, remember, it does the opposite of what it says it's going to do, because it's the middle child. It's negative 32 and negative 17, because k does what it says it's going to do, but h does not. So remember, when you're dealing with vertex form, this is how we find the vertex from vertex form. So that was just a quick review. However, what do we do when we're finding the vertex from standard form? Remember, standard form is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, this normally we've been going through and graphing on your calculator. And then we would either find the minimum or maximum through menu, analyze, min or max. But there's actually a quicker, easier way to do this without using a calculator, and it could be on your SAT, ACT without a calculator. So the formula to do that is this: the opposite or the negative of b all over 2 times a. So what we have to do when we're doing this is we have to be able to determine what a is and what b is. Well, in this case, a is 5 and b is negative 9. So when we plug this into our equation, the stuff in black is going to be what's in the equation no matter what, and the stuff in blue is our a and b. So the opposite of negative 9 all over 2 times 5. Well, a double negative gives me a positive. So I wind up with 9 over, and 2 times 5 gives me 10. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the x portion of my vertex. Okay? And just FYI, feel free to pause, rewind, whatever you need to do to take these notes. Make sure that they're in your journal. Okay? So, this is only the x value. I still need the y value. But if it's the x value, then I can actually take this and plug it in to my x values in the equation. All right, so 5 times 9/10 squared minus 9 times 9/10 minus 2. Guys, all you have to do is plug this into the calculator. I'm not asking you to sit there and do all that by hand. At this point, let's make it efficient. Just type the whole thing into the calculator. If you don't remember how to do a fraction, that's control divide. Make sure you put parentheses where I show parentheses, or it's not going to work. You will mess up your equation. Okay? So once you type that in, you're going to wind up with negative 121 over 20. So my vertex is at 9/10, comma, negative 121 over 20. Some of y'all don't like dealing with fractions. You can convert these to decimals. Doesn't bother me. That's 0.9, comma, negative 6.05. That is my vertex. Okay? So, once you have done that, you have found the vertex. Then, part of your problem that you will be dealing with on your test, which is next class period, is going to be changing it from standard form to vertex form. All you need to do there is then take your vertex and plug it in to a times x minus h all squared plus k. Well, we said that a was 5, so I'm going to put in 5. Parentheses, x minus, well, h is our x value of the vertex, so 0.9 all squared. Now, it's plus k, but k in this case is negative, so I'm going to say minus 6.05. Now, if you need extra examples on this, my B4 notebook will be at my desk by my computer screen, okay? I know it says B2, but then it's got a little blue 4 because I accidentally wrote the wrong one. But it's in here. There are more examples down at the bottom and over here with step-by-step if you want more notes. I will also take pictures of these and post them on Google Classroom as to how they are. But I wanted you to hear my voice in doing at least one problem and see how I'm doing it, not just copying the notes. If you guys have questions, please feel free to email me. I will try and check my email periodically today. But the packet is due before you leave today, done or not. If you're not done, we will work on it Friday as well. You can do that after your test, but it is still due to turn in. Okay? Again, I'm sorry, and I will try and be here for tutorials. If I'm not, go to room 413 with Miss Felton. Thank you, and have a great day, guys.